Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. The holiday season is here and you know what that means. Office parties. Today, I'm sharing 17 elegant and sophisticated office party looks that embrace the clean girl aesthetic. These are perfect for making a statement while keeping it classy. Let's dive right in. First up, we have modern pearlescence. This look features a pearl white satin slip midi dress paired with an icy blue blazer. I love the sleek low bun with pearl hairpins, giving this look a soft, ethereal vibe. Perfect for a chic office lounge party with a festive backdrop. For my ladies who love a bold yet polished vibe, Power Sequins Glam is for you. Think tailored white trousers, a silver sequined blouse, and a dramatic plum lip. This look screams confidence and is perfect for making a splash in a chic conference room setting. Who doesn't love a little black dress moment? Noir sophistication is all about glamour, with a black sequined midi dress, bold red lips, and diamond accessories. It's perfect for a sleek, sophisticated party atmosphere. If elegance had a name, it would be Sophisticated Satin Elegance. This emerald green satin midi dress paired with a black velvet blazer is chic and refined. Add smoky eyes, diamond jewelry, and you're all set for a luxurious holiday celebration. Midnight Elegance is all about velvet luxe. This fitted black velvet dress with puffed sleeves and gold chandelier earrings makes a statement without saying a word. Perfect for a cozy, dimly lit office party. Soft, silky, and oh-so-chic champagne glow is a timeless choice. A champagne silk blouse paired with ivory trousers exudes understated elegance, especially when accessorized with a satin scrunchie and gold mini bag. Rose gold glam is for the sparkle lovers. This rose gold sequined wrap dress paired with Hollywood waves is perfect for a rooftop office party. Add diamond earrings and you'll shine brighter than the city lights. Crystal Chic features a white tailored jumpsuit with a dazzling crystal belt. The slicked back ponytail and subtle silver makeup keep it clean and elegant, ideal for dancing the night away in a transformed office space. Velvet Luxe is an ode to rich textures. A midnight blue velvet wrap dress with a jeweled belt and sapphire earrings creates a look that's cozy yet upscale. Picture yourself in a luxurious office library. Pure sophistication. Metallic Shine is a showstopper. A gunmetal gray slip dress with a black fur shawl and crystal accents is perfect for a dramatic black and silver themed party. For those who adore winter whites, Winter White Wonder is a dream. A high-neck white midi dress with feather-trimmed cuffs is chic and festive, especially when paired with pearl drop earrings and silver pumps. Metallic Chic is trendy and edgy, featuring silver sequin shorts, a black silk camisole, and a white blazer. Pair it with bold eyeliner and silver hoops for a cosmopolitan vibe. Luxe Lavender is a delicate yet bold choice. This lavender satin wrap top paired with white trousers is elegant and fresh, perfect for a pastel-themed office party. Sleek Monochrome proves black and white is always in style. A black satin camisole, tailored trousers, and an oversized white blazer create a polished, timeless look. Classic Black is a true showstopper. A black one-shoulder midi dress paired with gold accents creates an effortlessly glamorous vibe. Champagne Glow makes another appearance, this time as a satin slip dress with a sheer beaded overlay. It's soft, elegant, and perfect for a minimalist setting. Last but not least, Festive Burgundy is all about warmth and charm. A burgundy velvet A-line dress with puff sleeves and gold accents is perfect for an intimate office gathering. And there you have it, 17 elegant office party looks for the holiday season. Whether you love sequins, velvet, or sleek monochrome, there's a style here for everyone. Let me know in the comments which look is your favorite, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more style inspiration. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next video.